Alright, 3 a.m. Time to record. Let's try this out. I hope I don't screw this up. Hello, every pony. It is time for the casting results. Yes, I know it's been a while, and I'm sure you're dying to know who got in. I can explain why it took so long. If you want to skip this part, then I have a time stamp coming up on the screen. If you're staying, then this is why it took so long. So, I recently started to babysit for the summer. Well, more like a nanny, staying at the home to Sunday night all the way to Wednesday, going home on Wednesday. I was super tired those 2 weeks I started, and plus, I'm starting to have problems with the whole babysitting thing, so that really sucks. But anyways, yeah, that's why I haven't been posting a lot, and the casting results took so long, because my mic isn't transportable. It's like taped to something. Now I'm going to be going back to the casting results. You did all amazing. It was really hard to choose who got which role, and I hope I made the right decisions. It was especially hard to choose who got Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash, because they got the most auditions. I don't know why, either because they're easier to voice, or the story. I'm thinking it might be the story, because they are the main 2 characters, which I didn't say in the video, so I don't know. And it was, oh my god, the art was, everybody that auditioned for the art, I was blown away. I wasn't expecting many people to audition for art, so saying that, I will keep those people that audition for art for future casting calls to see if they like to do the art beforehand. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but if you don't, then you can ask in the comments, because it'll be easier to type it out. I mainly focused on acting and the impressions, so here are the results. I don't want to make this video very long. Twilight Sparkle VA will be The Life on Cloud 9. Understudy will be Raindrop. Fluttershy's VA will be Orchid Tail, and Fluttershy's understudy will be Jen and Christy. Rainbow Dash VA will be Minty Sparks. Rainbow Dash understudy will be The Life on Cloud 9. Applejack's VA will be The Life on Cloud 9. Applejack's understudy will be Raindrop. The artist will be The Life on Cloud 9. So those were the results. Thank you so much if you auditioned. I was truly blown away by all the amazing talent. It was really hard to choose who got who. And please do not feel discouraged if you didn't get picked. There will be more casting calls. Trust me, I plan on doing that in the future. So there will be more chances. If you got chosen, please email me if you accept your role. Goodbye, this was Raindrop.